Nothing can be more frustrating when you sit down to access your Wi-Fi or internet and you run into issues or your speeds are real slow. Well, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Lumen internet if it isn't working correctly. The first one is the easiest one to try, and that's to take any device that you're having issues with, whether it be your cell phone or maybe a TV, and power it down or unplug it from the wall outlet. Powering it down or unplugging any kind of power source going to it is what we call a hard reset. And you want to leave it unplugged or powered down for at least 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here. Wait the whole 60 seconds, then power it back up or plug it back in, and then see if it's working now. If that fixes it, then great. If not, let's go ahead and move on to the next method. And that would be to push the reset button on your modem or router. Not all routers have this, but if yours does, go ahead and give this a try. If hitting the reset button doesn't work, then let's go on to this next method. And that's to find the router that is giving you Wi-Fi and go ahead and unplug the power to that for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. If that doesn't work, let's go ahead and move on to the next method. Move your router to a different location so that it's more open and it can broadcast a better signal without any interference. Hopefully this will help. The last thing to do is to call your internet provider, and they might have to tap into your modem remotely to run a diagnosis check, and maybe that'll fix it. Some providers will send you a modem for free if you are continuing to have problems with it, especially if you tell them that you might want to cancel service with them. Well, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.